The intelligent speed assist warning beeps on the Volvo EX90 can feel absolutely relentless. This walkthrough shows how to silence them with Beep Away. We'll use a 2024 Volvo EX90 as our example in this video. The same steps work on any car with intelligent speed assist and a cabin USB port. Beep Away generates a VIN-matched configuration file to stop the annoying warning beeps. Everything else in your car keeps working as before. The home page shows the 4-step process. Select your car, enter your VIN, load to USB, and plug it in. Scroll down and select Volvo. Tap Show More if you don't see your brand. Beep Away supports most modern car makes with ISA warning chimes, not just the ones shown. The same steps work for every supported manufacturer. Next, choose your specific model from the grid. We'll select the EX90. Every model follows the same configuration steps. Your Volvo EX90 is confirmed and ready for configuration. The process is fully reversible and will not affect your vehicle warranty. Create your account to generate your config file. Enter your name, email, and password, then accept the terms of service and privacy policy. You're signed in automatically and taken straight to the Configure wizard. After signing in, the Configure wizard opens on Select Vehicle. Choose 2024 for your Volvo EX90. Then tap Next to enter your VIN. Enter your vehicle identification number so Beep Away can tailor the config file. On a Volvo, the VIN plate is usually at the driver's side windscreen or door jamb. It must be exactly 17 characters, letters and numbers only, no I, O, or Q. Beep Away is creating a personalized config file matched to your VIN. This stops the annoying warning beeps on your exact car. Generation usually completes within 30 seconds. Open My Configs from the dashboard sidebar to track your order. Pending means your file is still being prepared. Click View Config to continue when your file is ready. Your order is ready for your Volvo EX90 2024. You'll receive a personalized configuration file and a step-by-step installation guide. The config is locked to your VIN for your protection. Download your configuration file, Volvo EX90 2024 ISA config file, personalized for your VIN. Also download the installation guide PDF for step-by-step instructions. Save both files on your computer. You'll load them onto USB in the next steps. Format your USB drive as FAT32 or exFAT for compatibility with your car. You need at least 1 GB of free space. Select Quick Format and click Start to prepare the drive. Copy Volvo EX90 2024 ISA config file to the root of your USB drive, not inside a folder. The drive should show only your config file at the top level. Safely eject the drive from your computer before taking it to the car. Take your prepared USB stick to the car, start your vehicle or switch to accessory mode so the infotainment system is on. The USB port is usually in the center console. Some models also have a port in the armrest. Insert the USB stick into your car's USB port. The config file is tailored to your vehicle's board computer and VIN number. Within seconds, the annoying warning beeps stop. Like every new Volvo, your EX90 ships with intelligent speed assist that beeps whenever it thinks you're over the limit. It rearms every drive and often misreads signs or uses outdated map data, so the speed warning beeping rarely stops. That's exactly what Beep Away silences, permanently, while everything else in your car continues to work perfectly. The configuration loads directly from the USB stick. Beep Away does not flash or rewrite your car's firmware. Simply pull the stick out whenever you like, and all the factory warning sounds will instantly return. While we used a Volvo EX90 in this demo, your car follows the exact same Beep Away steps. Owners of many brands are experiencing the same persistent ISA warning beep problem. If you drive a 2024 Volvo EX90, you are not imagining it. Owners everywhere describe the same relentless ISA warning beeps. Forum threads and review comments are full of frustration about beeps on every minor overspeed, settings that reset with every ignition, and menus that only muted until the next drive. That is why so many people search for a proper lasting fix, and why we will answer a few common questions next. Beep Away loads a reversible configuration from USB only while the stick is plugged in. Remove the stick and your car instantly returns to normal. Nothing is permanently rewritten or flashed. If warranty wording is a concern for your lease or country, please review your own terms. Yes, Volvo EX90 owners follow the same beep-away process you just watched. Simply enter your VIN on beepaway.com to double-check compatibility before you order. You'll need a computer, a USB stick, and about 10 minutes at home. No dealer visit, no coding tools, and no special cables are required. You can select your car, enter your VIN, and download your configuration directly on beepaway.com. Search Google for Beepaway, or go straight to beepaway.com. This guide and configuration are intended for use on private property only. Beepaway is not licensed, certified, or approved for use on public roads or in moving traffic.